So we're down here in Dartford in Kent. This is another project we're starting this morning. So what we're going to be doing on this project is brick cleaning all the brickwork back to its natural colour. Going to be cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks. There's quite a lot of spalling on the front of this house, so there's going to be quite a lot of bricks to replace on here. Then we're going to be burning all of the paint off all of the stonework, making good to all of the stonework. As you can see underneath the window sills, all the old York stone, that's all completely rotten and deteriorated away. So square all that, burn all the paint off all of the bases and the columns. A lot of cracking and fracturing through the stonework, so make good to all of that. Customers having new windows fitted next week, so what we're going to do is obviously get all of the preparation work done and the cleaning before the windows go in, and then get the windows fitted, and we'll come back and then start the repointing. Same sort of thing upstairs, burning all this old paint off. Going to be quite a lot of repairs to do. Same sort of thing up here on the window sills, cutting all of that back, restoring all of that. Getting everything covered and prepped up this morning. I've got all glass under here, so making sure that's all protected. Getting all the sheets up. Having to put a roof on in the summer. Really unbelievable this weather we're having at the moment. So I put a roof on to keep us dry for the next few days. Same sort of thing upstairs. Be cleaning and repointing all of this brickwork all the way through here. Loads more spalling bricks. It's crumbling away now. All of these will have to be cut out, replaced. Burning all the paint off all of the rest of the stonework. Going to be repairs on all of the nosings and the capitals, same sort of thing. So yeah, this would be a nice transformation when it's all done. So like I say, we're going to do all the preparation up until Wednesday next week. Get the customer to fit the new windows in, and then we won't have these horrible trims coming down here. It's all going to be penny roll pointed, and then we'll feather in all the red mortar all of the way down. So we won't have none of these horrible collar joints, as you can see all the way down the building. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much.